before it gets too dark and the sun sets on me. We pulled a scooter out today, a bucket full, bolts, pipe, shocks, other doodads, I don't know what they are. Cool little bottle. It says Ole Smokey. It's embossed in Ole Smokey on both sides. That's cool. Another platform scale weight. I haven't been able to tell what weight size it is, but that's what that is. A saw blade of some sort. And guess what? Is this a grapeshot? It could possibly well be. I hope so. If not, we got it out of the water and it's cool. County Seat Adventures. Rock and roll.